Hello. Found my voice. Hey guys, another episode of Zach's Kitchen. Time to make some garlic and herb roasted shrimp. Check it. Check it out. Does it look fantastic? Damn right it does. Can I help you?
I'm hungry.
Well, normally a sous chef doesn't operate by himself. I do it all myself.
Cut up the garlic. Put it in the bowl. Put the shrimp in the bowl. Mix it. Ready.
No, listen, I got a recipe. I don't need you to resuscitate it.
I'm helping.
Resuscitate it? That's not the right word.
I'm helping!
So, gave platelets today. Oh, I look like I actually look like I have 4 bandages on, but this one's actually just my watch. So, psych! Gave platelets today. Donated, because I'm a good person. And because I didn't know it took 3 freaking hours. Takes a long time. And she had to stick me more than was necessary because once it didn't work. And she felt really bad about it. And I was like, whatever, just stick it again. She was a nice lady, though. And she gave me snacks. Chopping up the garlic. Finally. Guys, if you haven't seen War for the Planet of the Apes yet, or Rise of the Planet of the Apes, or Dawn of the Planet of the Apes, you should rethink your life. Because they're amazing. And we're about to watch the third one, which has Woody Harrelson. And I don't even know if he is the good guy or the bad guy. Like, is the ape the good guy? I think he is. I think in this movie the people are the bad guys. But it's weird to be on the side of the apes. That is a whole mess of garlic right here. I don't know how finely to chop it, you know? I just chop it until I think it looks small. Is that what everybody does?
Yeah.
Why are you laughing?
Well, just gently laughing at you for being dumb.
That's not dumb.
Don't scrape with the knife blade.
Would you like to come over here and see which side of the knife blade I'm using?
Aw, I can't see.
I am a professional. I am a professional.
Should I stop being critical from the couch?
It was the blade side.
You're such a dick!
Laura had a dream about having sex with Drake last night. How do you think I feel?
Yeah, but my dad cock-blocked me.
That was pretty funny. She got cock-blocked by her dad right when they were about to have sex. Come on, Paul. Not in Laura's dreams. All right. So
in my dream, I was literally in the bathtub naked with Drake, the rapper, and then we were about to and I heard like, hello, hello, and it was my dad coming up the stairs of Drake's house to look for me because it was my bedtime. So he came and took me home right before me and Drake were gonna get jiggy with it.
Thank God. Thank you, Paul. That's mine.
Oh, obviously don't put in the red chili flakes.
Well, I mean, I was going to put it in double, but it's not now. It's lame ass.
Ever opened a bag before?
What's happening? Because that bag won't open. Like, I ripped it, I tore it.
Don't. Oh my God.
Problem solved.
Zach, you're not supposed to cut bags open with our knife.
You saw what happened. It wasn't coming open.
We have kitchen scissors literally made for that. Kitchen scissors to cut the bags open. No, I'm serious. I'm being serious. This is not for the video. Don't do it. Zach! Take your time. Calm your shit.
I don't understand the argument. Oh, it's already open.
It's bad for the blade. You've done so good not washing them, not washing the pans. Why can't you just do one more good thing? Here, put those in there and rinse them off. I'm just gonna come tell you how to do everything instead of helping.
Oh, just what I was looking for, you know? Just when you think you... Oh, okay.
Pat, dry with the paper towel.
Alright.
I'm
Alright.
I'm leaving.
Get out of here, lady.
Just don't put the chili flakes in an accident.
Well, no promises.
Ah!
Add to the large bowl the shrimpies.
You gotta dry them first.
Listen. I am going to cut you.
Well, it won't hurt that bad because the blade is dull from opening the bag.
God damn it. Shrimpies. So the problem here is there's only like shreds, words, mouth. There's only like 7 shrimp here, okay? I need at least 40 for myself. So what are you eating tonight? I put the shrimpies in the bowl. Shrimp. Alright, you guys want a close up? Fine. Look at this shrimp. Probably looks shitty on that paper towel, but hey, you know, it's shrimp. It's uncooked shrimp. Alright, can we just speed this up a little bit? I'm getting bored. Just do a little bit of that. A little bit of pat. Pat right, pat. Drop. And throw that away. Alright, step number 2. Finished. Add the dried basil and chili flakes.
No chili flakes!
Double chili flakes?
No chili flakes! I guess you could chili your own shrimp.
She said double chili flakes. I heard her. 2 dried basil. Where the hell's the dried basil? That's horseradish. Oh, this is dried basil right here. It says add the dried basil. Okay. Oh my lord, that's a lot of basil.
It's got basil shrimp.
Yeah, but that's a lot of basil. Maybe I don't put enough spices on my food.
You probably don't. That's why it's not good.
I think I do like lightly spice things versus heavily spicing them like there.
I came to micromanage.
Wait, do they get out of here? You've already been banned from this kitchen once.
No, this is all for the dipping sauce. It should just be basil and olive oil and salt and pepper.
Listen, I love you so much. I don't want you in here.
Oh, I just came to help.
You're just coming in and telling me how to do it. I got this.
It's not even part of the recipe. This is just my other chef thing.
1, 2. Buckle my shoe.
I'm so hungry and it smells so good in here already.
Hey! Alright. Add the dried basil, red chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and ½ tablespoon each of salt and pepper. Salt and pepper.
Did you wash your hands before you started?
Sure did.
Why is there one in your hand? You had an IV in your hand?
Yeah, because she did the one here and it didn't work. And she pumped saline into my arm and set them into the thing. And now she said I'm going to have all kinds of bruising.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah. Did you know you can give platelets every 7 days?
Yay.
I mean, I'm not going to. Like, who has 3 hours a week to donate? That's a lot.
Can't even listen to my audiobook.
Yeah, you can't even listen to your damn audiobook, let alone donate whatever, 3 times a week or whatever.
Shrimpies! Oh yeah.
Shake it
I
up.
think when I made this at the house, at the Autumn's party, after I put the shrimps on, I scooped out the garlic and put it on each shrimp because I want to make sure that it was all covered.
It looks like it's pretty good and covered, right?
Yeah. Did you put salt on it?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
Salted and peppered it. Cut the lemon into 8 wedges, okay?
This can go in the oven though if that's done.
It doesn't say add it to the oven.
We can put it in the oven. Place the shrimp in the oven.
You're skipping steps.
I know, but I don't care about the lemon. I just want the shrimp.
Well, but that's part of the recipe.
It's just for garnish. It's just for squeezing juice on. I want shrimp. Aren't those clean? Do you want me to wash them?
Ah, shit.
I'll wash them. Make this. We can make that first. Oh, this one's not bad.
Step 1 is wash the damn
This is
dishes.
fine, right?
I'll inspect it.
What'd you make in this?
Chicken.
Oh, and you had a photo?
No, I'm just getting my picture.
Well, it's not helpful at all.
Okay. And you just dump these in there?
No, I would put them one by one. Fine, dump them.
Yay! And then you take a spoon and you just spoon this in there.
That's perfect. 8 shrimp, 4 for each of us.
6 for me and 2 for you. You have the appetite of a goldfish. We all know this.
And out for fucking shrimp, man.
Goldfish probably don't eat shrimp anyway.
Bake for 10 minutes until shrimp are cooked through. Boom. Boom, boom.
Ba-boom.
Ba-boom.
Babushka. So I just do it?
Put it in the oven!
Oh, it's hot. 10 minutes?
10 minutes. Shrimpie!
Alright, shrimp's in the oven.
Does this throw off your...
Is that a saying? Shrimp's in the oven?
Yep.
What's it mean?
Shrimp's in the oven. Now you're just making the sauce to go, the dipping sauce.
Why
and
is this start happening?
Probably because you cut a bag with it.
You're the worst. Why are you here?
Okay, bye.
Autumn texted me at 5:02. I'm probably gonna cut this. 5:02, and was like, "Hey, can you stop by the office? I need to get Goose's crate, and I can't make it." And I just wanted to be like, "Autumn, it's 5:02.
Yeah, you're already too late, girl.
They're already closed, girl." So I went by just in case, and they were closed. But it was like 5:10 anyway, because I wasn't at home yet when she texted me. So
Yeah.
Goose is just gonna have to stuff his fat ass into a little crate. You know? That's all there is to it.
You fat fuck.
Fat fuck. You fat little cute little fucker. I haven't seen him. He's probably grown into triple his fucking size.
He most definitely has.
Yeah, if they had to buy him a new crate, he definitely has. Alright, so cut the lemon into 8 wedges set aside. Boom, done. Spread the shrimp into... Okay, wait, I already did that. Blah, blah, blah. Next. In a small bowl, combine the horseradish, ketchup. Alright, let's do this bowl. White bowl. Don't break these, Laura gets mad. Alright.
Do other people like it when things are broken?
Sometimes. Okay. Combine the ketchup. Ah! Ah!
I know. Use the scissors.
Ah! It has a pull tab. Like, why is it fucking on me with this pull tab when it doesn't actually work?
I think while you're wearing your Spartan shirt like you're a strong person.
Oh. Sick burn. Nothing but respect. But, let's be honest. When people watch me getting that fucking almond butter out of that other one, they're going to be like, holy shit, look at those guns. That dude works. Out.
Works a bit more like it.
Yeah, man, I work my dick too.
Ew.
That's just the truth. It's a masturbation joke.
Chi-Chi, you want to come up on my lap? Chi-Chi?
This is a lot of ketchup.
I know. They give you so much sauce for like 8 shrimp. Like, we're going to have enough sauce for like 20 shrimp.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so funny.
Chi-Chi.
Hey, chef, why don't you stop skimping on the shrimp? Why don't you stop shrimping on the shrimp, am I right? Give me some more fucking shrimp for my pound of sauce.
You're so dumb.
Oh my god, I'm so excited to see Jenna and Julian's next video in their new house.
Mm-hmm. We can watch the stream live this weekend. Maybe we'll see it. Oh, there's somebody on game right now.
Yeah. Their old game room, when you look at it, does look like it would have been annoying to stream in. It looks, like she said, all the doors open inward. Like it's such a small room. Horseradish. There we go. Do a little bit of boop, boop, boop. Get in there. I never thought they would turn into such big gamers, though. They're like hardcore. Okay, so we just added the horseradish, the ketchup. Now we're adding the Worcestershire sauce. All right, and now step 44. Add the hot sauce. I feel like she didn't hear that. The hot sauce. No, I'm saying, do you want me to add the hot sauce or no?
What is it?
Tabasco.
Yeah, I don't know. Sure, I don't know.
You can say no. I don't give a shit.
Good without it?
You made this before. Did it taste? Did you use it?
I can't remember. But how much more stuff do you have to put in there?
This is the last thing.
Well, why don't you just split it, the dip in half, and then put some into yours? Right?
Sure, yeah.
Then you can try yours and see if I like it.
No. Get your own sauce. Ha. Stir in the sauce with my dirty hands. Just kidding, I washed them. Alright, so then what you're saying is I should put this into another bowl. So there's two things of sauces. Sauce. Okay. And then put the Tabasco in this one. Actually, it'll make this one hotter, which will be even better for me. Because I like them hot. So can I put the chili flakes right into my sauce?
Sure.
Right? Do that.
Make sure it's the same sauce you put the Tabasco in.
That'd be bad for you. Put the chili sauce into the chili sauce. That doesn't make sense. Alright. Isn't this just an appetizer?
Yeah, I hope you're ready to make some chicken after.
Hope you're ready to make some chicken after. What do I look like, a slave?
You look like a husband.
I mean, same word, am I right? I don't get paid to do this shit. Alright, so, got some sauces. Ba-boom, ba-boom. That's going to be ready in 2 minutes. What's the lemon for?
That's just for squeezing on the shrimp if you like lemon.
Oh. I mean, I think I like lemon, but I don't know if I'm going to do it. So I should get the other recipe out. Which one are we doing tonight?
40 cloves garlic chicken.
40 cloves garlic chicken. Here we go, guys. Now we're done with the teaser, the Shrimpies. I'm going to start on this guy. 40 clove garlic chicken. Chicken. With purple mashed potatoes. What the hell is a purple smashed potato?
It's a potato that's purple.
They put food coloring in it? That's disgusting.
It's a purple potato.
That's not a thing.
It's a purple potato.
Is that really a thing?
It's a purple potato.
You're a purple potato. I got a purple potato for you.
Ew.
I got 2 of them.
Zach!
That's it. I got you good, you fucker. Alright. The step 1 is called 1 potato, 2 potato. Place the whole potatoes in a small sauce pot and cover with cold water. Oh, bring to a boil. Okay, that's easy. Why are you yelling?
I just dropped like all the pot holders.
Oh, I thought you were going to say the shrimp and I almost died. I dropped a lemon.
I say give him another minute.
Lemon. Oh. Lemon. Ooh. Lemon. Ooh. All right. So.
Can you not, though?
I think.
Which one is my sauce?
That one.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure. No, I'm positive it's this one.
Is that one spicy?
Yeah.
So this is mine?
There's only 20 garlic cloves in here. I think we got screwed. There's supposed to be 40. I've never understood what the hell a shallot is. Is that an onion?
It's in the onion family.
In the onion fam?
They hold hands. They see each other at Thanksgiving.
There ain't no taters in here. Oh, these are taters.
They're purple.
Alright, so you place those in here. Those are supposed to be in here.
Oh god, that was like the most dangerous way you could have done that.
It's cold water.
Oh, I thought it was hot. I was like, Jesus!
I thought, in my head, I was like, she's gonna freak out. And I was like, nah, it's cold water. All cooked on a stovetop, oh yeah? Not sure where that accent came from. Okay. Shrimp and Dampus. Okay. Place back in the saucepan and cover with lid to keep warm. Okay, that's step one. Chop and zest. Something I'm very good at. Wait. Why does step 2 say chop and zest, and then the first step says, meanwhile, in a small bowl, stir the chicken base? What? That's not the first, like, you can't list that as the first step. Alright, small bowl.
What do you mean?
Well, it's weird to say, like, the beginning of the step is meanwhile. Alright, can't use that bowl, that one's dirty, so we need a new one. I'm gonna dirty everything in this house.
You don't forget your shrimpies.
Yeah, I might have to take like a 5-minute breaker.
How did this land like that?
Oh, I don't know. That's super cool, though. What is that?
White wine cooking wine?
For drinking.
No, we have
Get a
wine
little
for drinking.
drunk. Ooh, should have a little wine tonight.
You can.
Turn this into what's-her-face's kitchen, am I right?
My Drunk Kitchen?
Yeah.
Hannah Hart?
That's really where a lot of my YouTube watching started, was Hannah Hart.
Hannah? Miss Little Hannah?
Before Jenna and Julian, she was like the big YouTuber that we were watching.
I was always watching Jenna first, but...
I didn't know who Jenna was until you showed me. Which probably makes sense because she's like a beauty guru kind of thing. Not beauty guru.
She wasn't. That's just
But she does like comedy and stuff, but like it was catered. Like I feel like she has more female subscribers than men. Well, maybe that's not true either. She's really hot, so she probably has both.
You're talking to yourself.
I'm not talking to myself. I'm talking to my friends. All 14 of them.
I'm one of those, so...
God damn it. One of the 14 is in the room. Oh my god, the difference in the basil on some of these. Alright guys, here we go. I'm turning off the camera now, but check it out. Oh, you can see the fucking smoke rolling right off of it. Maybe you can't, but I can. Alright, take a break, take a breather. Shut up. Nope, nope.